Is it recording?
Yeah.
Get it up close. Get it up close.
Yeah. He turned his head. Look at him. He's following your finger. Oh. Very good of Miguely. The trick.
Miguely, check out my.
The trick beta. Or beta, whatever they call them.
Man, the castle didn't go out good. Look, Miguely, it's my castle.
That's good. And there's the pumpkin.
Oh, and it's
For the
my
school
good
project.
kinetic sand.
Kinetic sand.
I'm in
Good
third
morning
grade,
to
by the way.
Elliot.
I'm in third grade.
Good. Yes. Say that again.
I'm in third grade.
And Miguely's in what grade?
I guess he's just in fish grade.
He's not in a fish school. You know, when they see a
Well,
group of
there's
fish.
no fish in there. There's no fish in
That's
there.
right. So he's not in a fish school like they call it when a group of them are together.
Well, he would be in fish school then.